In the bustling digital world of today, two tools stand out for their popularity and widespread usage in project management and team collaboration. These two titans of tech, Monday.com and Slack, have each carved their niche in the landscape of digital solutions. Monday.com, a child of the digital revolution, burst onto the scene in 2014. Since then, it has swiftly ascended the ranks to secure a prominent place within the corporate world. The platform has achieved this by demonstrating its intrinsic value to over 100,000 organizations who utilize it for their project management needs. This powerful tool offers a visually captivating and user-friendly interface that has been ingeniously designed to not only meet but exceed the expectations of its users. It combines functionality with aesthetics, creating a seamless experience for project managers worldwide. On the other hand, we have Slack, a dynamic communication platform that emerged just a year before Monday.com, in 2013. Slack has revolutionized the way teams communicate, providing highly efficient and user-friendly platform that has captivated users worldwide. Today, Slack boasts an impressive 10 million daily active users, a testament to its unparalleled utility. It has integrated itself into the daily operations of countless workplaces, transforming the landscape of team communication. Users rave about its seamless interface and effective management tools, making it a fixture in many a work environment. With over 10 million daily active users, Slack has become a staple in many workplaces, making communication seamless and efficient. Now let's dive into the features of these two incredible tools. Please like and subscribe to show you love and support, and do tell us in the comment below on which topic you would like to see the new videos on. Now, beginning with the revolutionary Monday.com. Monday.com proudly offers a plethora of remarkable features designed with a singular aim: to make project management more efficient, easier, and highly effective. At the heart of its many unique attributes is its mainstay: the aesthetically pleasing and customizable boards, an ingenious creation that allows for a comprehensive at-a-glance view of project statuses. These boards provide a visually engaging overview, seamlessly presenting pertinent details in a manner that is readily digestible and easy to understand. They offer a clear and concise snapshot of the project, capturing all the necessary information at a single, truly a revolutionary concept in project management. Furthermore, Monday.com steps beyond standard project management tools by offering additional features such as time tracking. This feature is meticulously designed to ensure accurate tracking of project timelines, allowing teams to adhere to schedules and deadlines more scrupulously. Task assignment, another significant feature, enhances team coordination and individual accountability. It ensures tasks are properly assigned and managed, leading to a more organized workflow. Moreover, progress tracking features are incorporated to ensure everyone stays updated. These allow team members to monitor their individual and collective progress, enhancing transparency and promoting collaborative work culture. These features, combined with others, make Monday.com a compelling tool for project management. Each feature is designed with a thoughtful understanding of the challenges faced in project management, providing solutions that ensure everyone stays on the same page. When we talk about Slack, on the other hand, we're discussing a veritable powerhouse of communication features that has taken the corporate world by storm. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, it offers a platform for instant messaging that's far superior to generic email chains. It's a real game changer, providing an efficient and streamlined way of conveying information to your team instantly. In addition to instant messaging, Slack has an impressive file sharing capability, which is crucial for collaborative projects. Keeping all the necessary files in one place is no longer a dream with this tool. You can conveniently share documents, PDFs, images, and even videos within the chat room. This feature ensures that everyone is on the same page and has access to the required resources. Further, the voice and video call options are noteworthy. The quality is clear and the feature is user-friendly. Meetings, brainstorming sessions, or casual catch-ups can be held effortlessly, making remote work a breeze. It's like having your virtual office where you can easily interact with your team no matter where they are located. But what makes Slack a standout is its stellar integration capabilities. It's not just about instant messaging or file sharing, it's about being able to seamlessly connect with a multitude of other apps and services. From project management software like Asana or Trello to productivity tools like Google Calendar or Evernote, Slack plays well with over 2,000 other apps and services, creating an ecosystem of functionality that truly enhances productivity. In essence, Slack is not just a communication tool but a way to link all your work tools in one place. This leads us to the conclusion that Slack, on the other hand, is a powerhouse of communication features. It allows for instant messaging, file sharing, and even voice and video calls. Slack also excels at integration, playing nice with over 2,000 other apps and services. When it comes to cost, Monday.com offers various pricing tiers, starting from free to enterprise-level packages. This tool makes a name for itself with its diverse pricing options, appealing to a broad range of business needs. The pricing tiers are designed to cater to different user needs, from nonprofit organizations to large corporations. Indeed, it's this flexible pricing model that sets Monday.com apart from many project management tools in the market today. On the other hand, Slack too offers a similar pricing structure aiming to cater to the unique needs of businesses large and small. It's not just the free tier that's impressive, but the company has also put a lot of consideration into its premium packages. There's a plan for every team size and for every budget, allowing Slack to be a cost-effective solution for businesses. In comparing Monday.com and Slack, we can see that while they are different, they both offer a great deal of versatility. Monday.com is applauded for its exceptional project management capabilities with its visual boards and tracking features. It provides a unique, easy-to-use environment where users can track their project's progress and collaborate effectively. Slack, on the other hand, truly shines as a communication tool. Its messaging platform is top-notch, offering seamless conversations and productive collaborations. Users can easily integrate with other tools to streamline their workflow and improve their efficiency. Equally impressive is Slack's commitment to continuous improvement, with updates and new features frequently added. When we look at Monday.com and Slack, it becomes clear that these tools shine in different areas. Monday.com excels at project management with its visual boards and tracking features, while Slack shines as a communication tool with its seamless messaging and integration capabilities. So, which tool reigns supreme? It's a question that truly depends on what your team needs demands. If your team's workflow requires a more intense tracking of projects and intricate tasks, then Monday.com may indeed be the better choice for you. Known for its seamless task tracking interfaces, Monday.com provides a visually appealing dashboard that enables teams to see progress at a glance. It offers a real-time collaborative platform that allows team members to stay updated on the status of tasks and projects, enhancing productivity and efficiency. However, let's consider the other side of the coin. If your team has a profound reliance on communication and the ability to seamlessly exchange ideas and information, then Slack could potentially be your solution. Renowned for its robust communication features, Slack can transform the way your team collaborates. It provides a unified, clutter-free workspace where conversations are organized and accessible, facilitating quick information exchange and decision-making. Furthermore, Slack's integration capabilities are unparalleled, allowing you to bring in files, notifications, and instructions from other apps directly into the Slack interface. Both and Slack have carved out their own niches in the realm of team collaboration and project management tools. They offer a variety of features, each having their unique strengths and capabilities designed to make your daily operations smooth and efficient. The choice between two, however, ultimately boils down to your team's specific needs and priorities. Each team is unique and may require a different set of tools to reach their optimum efficiency. Regardless of the tool you choose, both Monday.com and Slack are capable of transforming your team's collaboration to the next level.